It is luxury ocean view. The size is 27 square meter, large bed, and next mini bar over here, and bathroom. And our highlight, I would like to show you this way. You can see the sea view and swimming pool view. We have the large bed. You can choose large bed or twin bed. And there's a mini bar over there, and we also have the separate shower box over there. The shower box on the left hand side, the sink in the middle, and this for toilet. I'm looking forward to see you soon.